Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp into your Shopify store. If you want to learn how to do it, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, as you can see, I'm already on my Shopify dashboard. On the left side of your screen, go ahead and click on Apps. Here you'll see that apps you've already installed. At the bottom, click on All Recommended Apps. Once you're there, scroll down and click Get More Recommendations to open the Shopify App Store. At the top, you will see a search bar. Click on it, type WhatsApp, and hit Enter. Now, you will see a list of apps related to WhatsApp. Pick the app that fits your needs. Click on the app you want, check the details, and if you're happy with it, click Install. You'll be taken to a confirmation page. Just click Install again. Wait a few seconds while the app is added to your Shopify dashboard. Once installed, go to the app settings, and from there you can set up your WhatsApp button. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.